right, guys, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hope y'all are doing well. I had a 3 p.m. appointment. My client, he is running late, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a preview of this beauty here, right? So he's running late, so I'm going to give you guys a preview, right? And he's very particular about what he's looking for. We've been exploring different areas around North Texas. He's very open, but he knows exactly what he wants. He wants a 3-bedroom. Office would be great, but a minimum, he wants it to be 2,000 square feet, right? He wants to have an open floor plan and a really great kitchen, right? He's not looking for a starter home because he's had homes before. And so I got some options lined up today. This is going to be, I told him we'd start at the top today. This will be one of the most expensive ones on our list today because he'd love to stay under about 425. 425 is where he'd like to be. So this one is $424,990. It's $424,990. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And it has a office, right? And it is 2433 square feet, 2433. So it's pretty generous. And the best thing is it's on a corner lot, right? So will this be an option, right? I'm going to give y'all a preview. I'm excited about the findings today in this city, right? We're over in Ellis County. Our last area we explored was in Johnson County, right? And this one is in Ellis, but this is a really attractive home. I can't wait for him to see it, right? I told him we're going to start at the top, but this one is really attractive, right? Don't y'all like this home? It's going to have really tall ceilings. It's on a corner lot, which is always cool. Right. She is very attractive. She's cited to be complete January entry. Right, but she just came back to the market. That's why this one came out. And it's been reduced, y'all, like almost 50,000. Right? It's been reduced almost 50,000. Right, but wonderful community. Right, they got all the grass here. Ooh, she's cute. Ooh. Oh, Paula. Why you step over there? Oh, but she has a wonderful elevation. Oh, look at that brick and stone. Fabulous. Right, love that little wood detail. Right, can y'all see this wood detail here? Oh, I forget the name of those. Oh, I forget. Oh, really brick stone. Brick covered entry. Oh, I forget those things. Oh, this is nice. The door's going to be really tall. This is a temporary door. Oh, yes. This is it. All right. This is grown man. Oh, my gosh. I hope he likes this one. Oh, I like this one for him already. I know this floor plan is huge. Right. There's a look back at the entry. There's a wonderful vaulted ceiling. A little detail there. This is a custom builder. They really make really great homes. Oh, I love it already. We have hardwood all throughout. Right, there's hardwood in here. This is the office. Ew, nice, nice, nice. Y'all see that hardwood? Oh, the double doors. Oh, this hallway is going to be the guest bedrooms. Right, he's an empty nester. Oh, they don't have lights on. Right, he's going to be retiring soon. He wants a nice home. Hey, Mark. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the feedback, Mark. I'm just a goofy little realtor that love to take my camera to work. And so blessed that people like y'all watch. I'm like, y'all don't got nothing else to do than watch me? Are y'all serious? It just amazes me that y'all do. Okay. So over here, y'all, we got these 2 bedrooms, right? All tall ceilings. Ooh, I cannot wait for him to see this one. Ooh. Because he is particular. Right? He told me exactly what he wants. I understand the assignment. Right? So, he's ready. He's looking for a good deal. He knows what he wants to spend. Oh, I'm loving this one because it's really tall ceilings. It's a premium custom building. So see on that hallway, we had his 2 guest bedrooms. He'd have a formal office, right? And then over here on this hallway, see, this is what's so sweet about this. This is the garage. They're just putting the trash there, y'all. So nothing going on there, but a great 2-car garage. And then, see, y'all, I've sold this floor plan before, y'all. The storage on this home is phenomenal. So here's the half bath. Hey, Mark Harmon, we got 2 Marks on the house tonight. Thank y'all so much for watching. Right, so here would be his half bath, right, for guests. Right, then look at all this storage right here. Right, this is just a closet, y'all, and it is so deep. Right, I'm walking all the way in here, and then it has shelves. Man, you could really put some junk or some things in here, some important things that you want to be inside. So we got this closet, y'all, and then look at this closet here. Right, this is actually your, what do you call this room? Your laundry room, but it also has a great pantry. Again, I've sold this floor plan before. Right, then you have a great pantry, linen closet in your laundry room. So super sweet storage. Right, this is right here at the top of his price point. He likes to start at the top. That's how we did last time. Right, he'd have oh yes. Oh, and he wanted the white cabinets. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at this, y'all, really spacious. Oh my gosh, this is, right, again, he's getting ready to retire in maybe 5-6 years. Right, he's owned homes before, so he's not wanting a starter home. This is a really great, this could be a great option for him, right? This home is given all the colors that he originally wanted. He wanted a white kitchen. Ooh, tall doors. Oh my gosh. Corner pantry. Ooh. It's going to be double door. Oh, going to be built-in oven. Ah, right. Look at these love these. Oh, going to have a farmhouse sink. Okay. Going to have the soft pull drawers. Ooh, did they do the trash compartment? Yep, they sure did. Right, premium builder. Ooh, yes, come on, we winning. Oh, and you have wood in the kitchen. This is real wood, y'all. Oh, I know he's gonna love that. Look at that fireplace. All those windows. Got pendant lights. Oh, look at that kitchen. Right, he'd have a big place for his table. Oh, I hope he likes this. Okay, if not, I have 8 options today. I got 8 options lined up. We'll be exploring 3 subdivisions. The price range is $364 all the way up to $424,990. All right. Wow. Let's go ahead and see the backyard. All right, he'd have a great covered patio. All right. Is it muddy? It's surrounded by the community fence, so that's good. Is it muddy down here? Yeah, y'all, it's kind of soft. I'm going back. Ugh, yeah. Right, but it's a great size. Then you have to see the HOA was going to take care of that. But a great covered patio. Come on, Denise, I'd love to connect. Normally what I do for my clients, I start off with a consultation, kind of hear about your goals, see if we got any obstacles, kind of hear about your time frame, make suggestions, but it always starts with the consultation. I'm doing consultations all throughout the day. You can text me, right? I got some instructions in the post, and so you can always get in contact with me. But look at this, y'all. Oh, I'm hoping he loves this. So here's his owner's retreat. This is 3-bedroom, guys, over 2,300 square feet. He has some storage before he gets to his retreat. Oh, yes. Oh, it has the windows. So they made the extended owner's retreat. Oh, he told me he wanted a big owner's retreat. Y'all, but he don't like to be on film, so y'all not going to get to see his reaction. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all. Oh, I hope he likes this. This is the biggest one that I've shown him. It really is. And this builder right now is offering a 5.5 locked in interest rate, right? So they have a really great special. Ooh, right? He'd have his and hers. It has the shower and the tub. Oh, nice tub, y'all. Grown man. Yes, this is what he needs. This is a grown man vibe. Right? Again, he's had homes before. He did not want a starter home. Right? He has grown children. They are nearby, maybe 30, 40 minutes away. He'd be about 40, 50 minutes from work. So this is about in between. Oh, yeah. He'd have a place for his toiletries. Oh, yeah. Man, this is grown man for real. Okay, I hope he likes it. Oh, he'd have a great walk-in closet. Okay, he's not gonna have no complaints here. He'd have built-ins. Oh, he'd be able to see all of his things. He's not gonna have any complaints here. I don't think he's gonna have any complaints on this house, y'all. I think he's gonna like it. It's gonna be all about if those special incentives brings it down to where he wants it to be. Oh, this is wonderful. He wanted a big owner's retreat. Checks out there, the white cabinets. He wanted it spacious. He said, Paula, I needed a minimum 2,300 square feet. This one, he wanted a minimum of 2,000 square feet. This one is 23,000 square feet. Oh, and she is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh-wee. Great hallways, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Right? Whenever you get 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a formal office, remember the office, and you got a half guest bathroom there, y'all. So you win in whenever you have a guest bathroom. That way nobody has to come down this hallway but guests. Right? Look at this detail. Remember the detail? Not here, y'all. But remember the detail in the ceiling? Okay, y'all. Will he like this one, y'all? Will he like it? I'm sure about to see. Will he like it? She's very attractive, and she's just been reduced. This home was reduced $50,000, right? And they're offering a locked-in interest rate, 5.5. This is right up his alley. I'm starting off with my A game. Starting off, will he like it? Time will tell. But yes, ma'am, you can sign up on the link There's a link I always put in the post. You can sign up on that link, and then someone from my team, they'll connect with you. They'll connect with you within 10 minutes or so. I don't care if it's, 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 4 o'clock in the morning, or you can simply text me, during normal hours, or call me at 817-938-8828. Again, that's 817-938-8828. All right, but let me kind of wait on him, but y'all saw the preview. Will this be the one? Time will tell.